Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I talk about a nice product to promote to earn money from internet and from affiliate marketing. And this product is essential for coffee lovers. And for sure, in the hand of speed life, there is no time to have your drink on a couch for recreation. Instead, you had to have your lovely drink on the go. In transportation means in your own car, in workplace, and so on. Thus, the need to use drinkware or drink accessories is a must, like tumbler, traveler mug, thermal mug, cooler, and so on. And these products enable you to have your lovely drink wherever while doing something else and to keep your beverage fresh, cool, or hot and add for you more stylish appearance. And believe me, many people search for these products a lot in a lot of websites like Walmart, Amazon, Alibaba, and so on. For example, if we have a look at Google, so we can type here coffee thermo or coffee thermal mug or coffee tumbler and so on. Here we'll find the most searched keywords like coffee thermos mug, coffee thermos, Walmart, cup, Amazon, large with handle, and so on. And if we have a look at Pinterest, the one of the best social media, people are searching for these such products. So we can type here, for example, as you see, like coffee thermos aesthetic, coffee thermos design, coffee thermos travel, coffee thermal mug, coffee thermos cute, and so on. People are searching for these keywords for these amazing products. So in today's topic, you have to promote these products on social media, and you can consider this field or that an extra income stream to your existing field, like in print on demand regarding coffee niche, in weight loss niche for promoting herbal drinks, for keto diet recipes, and so on, in yoga lovers, in yoga niche likewise, and so on. And of course, you can join these programs like for Amazon, Walmart, and so on. And in this video, I'd like to show you some amazing websites that are specific for that drink wear or drink accessories, like wellypaddle.com. Here in this beautiful website, you will find a big variety of these tumblers and coffee mugs with different sizes, like for bamboo, for large, medium, and so on. As you see, for coffee lovers, for tea lovers, for yoga lovers, and so on. And to join this affiliate program of Willy Bottle, fortunately, this amazing website hosted in the one of the best affiliate network out there, that is shareasale.com. As you see, you will find this merchant, Willy Puddle, and for each single sale you will get commission, which is about $3, as you see. Okay, and of course it's easy to join Share a Sale and join Willy Puddle program, and all you have to do is just to have a website or a channel on YouTube to promote these products with some few articles about coffee, about weight loss, about yoga, and so on. And the next website for today, that is Mir.com. This beautiful website has a big collection of these drink accessories, as you see. And here we'll find some collections like hydration, coffee, bar and food, accessories, and bits. And of course you can make more personalization or more customization for these products. And to join the affiliate program of Mir.com, and here you will find affiliates. Just you can click over that, and then you can apply for joining this program to promote Mir products. The next website for today, that is hydroflask.com. Here you'll find a lot of beautiful products and accessories like puddles, tumblers, for coffee mugs, for beer and wine, for food, coolers, for outdoor kitchen, and so on. as you see. Perfect. Colder, hotter, and longer and happier. So to join Hydro Flask affiliate program, just you can go this one, affiliates, okay, and just insert your details and apply for that program here. The next website for today, that is cleancanteen.com. cleancanteen.com. You'll find traveler mugs and so on. As you see, beautiful insulated mugs, insulated traveler, tumbler, and so on. Okay, and of course you can go to the affiliate program from here. The upcoming website for today, that is corksicle.com. As you see in the home page, you will find a lot of beautiful and aesthetic products for travels and so on, which is about some tumblers, coffee mugs, thermal mugs, and etc. As you see, beautiful products from corksicle.com. Okay, and the last website is specific for drinkware, which is brewmate.com. And a beautiful collection of coffee mugs, traveler cooler, and so on, as you see. Okay, so you can join all these affiliate programs for these websites and promote these products on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, and etc. And to make these posts on social media, just you can use canva.com, and here you can search for a beautiful post. Type here coffee lover, for example, or coffee only, and here you will find a lot of ready-to-use templates which are specific for coffee niche. If you want to promote coffee mugs, thermal coffee mug, and so on, and anything regarding coffee, as you see, that would help you more in promoting your products. And to promote your products, your affiliate products, using commercials or promo videos, I have talked about in a previous video an amazing strategy which is so-called pain agitate solution. You'll find this video below on the first comment, and you can use for this amazing strategy this beautiful website invideo.io. And here you can make attractive commercials and promo videos. So we can search for coffee, for example, for searching for ready-to-use templates to make your promos and your commercials, as you see. So coffee ads video, or coffee shop promo, or coffee shop. Okay, so we of this word, and here you will find beautiful templates and themes regarding coffee and coffee lovers to promote your products and to promote your beverage stuff. Okay, as you see. And now there's a good question comes up: how to promote these affiliate products on Pinterest or Facebook? And of course, these social media don't allow you to use affiliate links. You have to use what's so-called landing page or a mediators to promote your products. And of course, I have talked about in some videos how to promote affiliate programs on social media using landing page like Milano.com, justpace.it, FYI.to, and so on. You'll find these videos below the first comment to promote your affiliate programs professionally on social media. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.